Okay. Sounds good. Nope, I don't mind. Do it.
Pumpkin one.
Too early, maybe.
No, what's around Halloween time?
Oh, it's not Halloween yet.
Well,
What, a whole month, right?
Oh, lychee sherbet sounds good.
I know what I'm doing.
Good.
I'm bored. No.
Oh, mint chip.
Yes.
Oh, it's right. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. We're gonna get two.
Whatever this can get us. It says buy one cup, get one free. Okay. So whatever size cup, yeah.
Do you know what you want, Chip?
I want to. Yeah. No, you go first.
Oh, I want the mint chip.
Mint chip. All right.
And then whatever she's getting. Oh, Kalika Trash. I didn't know Kalika Trash Trio, they're over here too.
Really? I'm gonna get coffee, coffee. Oh, Friday night.
Can I get by you? Thank you.
Can I get the Kona coffee? Yeah.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good for the gas.
Anything else for you guys?
Thank you, you too. Thank you, George.
I gotta get napkins.
It's roasted arrowroot.
I got it. I got it. Just, I'll follow you where you want to sit.
Why is it out there?
No, it's just fine.
For the lighting.
Oh, is it? What flavor did you get?
Kona coffee.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
your regular. I don't know what to get, so I'm gonna get this.
Yeah.
Kona coffee.
Good.
There you go. Okay.
You want a bite?
No, no, no. It's gonna mess with my mint if I eat that. Thanks for the napkin, by the way.
Maybe October they'll have the pumpkin.
This is my go-to mint chip.
Pumpkin cheesecake.
Sure, I was waiting for the pumpkin cheesecake.
It's seasonal.
Oh, I forgot I have a stamp card. That's alright.
Oh.
Too
It's
late.
okay, we got one free. It's okay.
Like, so you want a free thing and you want me to stamp your card? Okay.
Give her $1 tip.
That's cool.
The first dollar in there.
Every dollar helps. This is so good.
See, there's always room for ice cream.
I knew you were going to say that. You're right.
But not always room for ice cream in a cone. But
Yeah,
in
because
a
that's
cup,
more, yeah.
Yeah.
Somehow it's like eating bread.
Yeah. And I think you get more ice cream in a cup. Then in like the waffle cone. Not the waffle, the sugar cone.
That's possible, but the cone together with the ice cream looks bigger when you have it all like that, yeah? Maybe that's the trick, yeah. Because they only put the ball on the top.
Yep.
It's not that like they shove it all in there.
Right. So you do get more this way. Oh. Karen texted me. You know how they always come every year Christmas time? So this year they're coming after Christmas, December 27th till January 7th.
Well,
So yeah, sometime in between there I gotta time to meet her.
yeah, fine.
But it kind of was after Christmas.
I cannot see Kimie. She has a Blue Note concert on 21st.
Oh,
So Auntie Toyo's birthday is, yo.
Big deal.
And then we're staying there for a couple of nights, right? Watching. Then we're actually gonna have one free concert at the International Marketplace.
Why you
It's
wanna?
okay.
Oh, it's up to you.
No, no, no.
You don't have to stay.
It's
Just
okay.
come back the next day, but then kind of a waste.
No, let's stay up there.
Yeah. At least for 2 nights. Nope.
Yeah. I see if my dad then would like to. Ray's probably gonna be hesitant too, because that means work.
To stay?
Yeah, just because she's gonna have to shuffle around work a little bit.
On Sunday she works?
Well, it's around Christmas time, so I think maybe the other people might be. Somebody might be taking off or. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii if you haven't already. Sorry to make you watch me eat this. If I show you Cheryl, she's way behind me.
Yeah. Savoring it.
I want a Coke after this.
I see Coke in there. In the fridge.
Oh,
Games. It's so good.
yeah? Wow.
I still can't taste my food too good.
Sorry,
I guess I'm,
COVID
yeah,
messes you up.
I know. I meant, well, my friend said she couldn't taste her food for 1 whole month after. I thought I was getting it back, but like if I didn't know what this was, I mean, if I knew what, if I didn't know what this was, I wouldn't know what I was eating.
So it doesn't taste like it right now to you? You can't even taste the coffee? A little bit of bitter coffee. Austin, can you come pick us up?
I know.
That'll be in the future. And then we're gonna, Dad, I was playing one good game with my friends and you made me have to stop just to pick you up. Sorry. Just think of all the times that you got stuck somewhere and you wanted us to come pick you up, so we came and picked you up. And,
I
right?
think there's a bus, but we would have to ride all the way through Waikiki and then come out. It would take this is long.
Oh, maybe we'll go to 7-Eleven on the way back and get curry for you.
What you gonna get?
Curry and 7-Eleven. I mean, not curry at 7-Eleven. Curry, we'll go to Coco Curry House, get him curry. But instead of getting a soda here, I can wait and I got a Slurpee or something from over there. You're just like,
Curry at 7-Eleven?
sorry. We're just all like, wow, we're just treating ourselves to the bonus day. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii, and I appreciate all you folks who stop by and ask me questions when I'm out there walking or saying hi to me. Appreciate that. All the people who saw me in the parade, thank you, guys. That was fun getting shouted out from you guys in the parade. Thanks, everybody. Aloha.
That first person that shouted to you in the parade, was it Garrett's sister?
Look like Dawn.
Right?
Yeah.
Didn't look like it. Well, what organization was that? Do you remember what it was?
Let's look on her Instagram.
It